5-minute English vocabulary builder. Music. One common error in English is confusing the words music and song. Music refers to the category in general, and song refers to one specific piece of music. For example, I like pop music. That's pop music in general. Michael Jackson's music is famous throughout the world. Again, music refers to Michael Jackson's music in general. Billie Jean is a song by Michael Jackson. Thriller and Beat It are two more songs. In this case, we use song because it's a specific piece of music. Music is uncountable, so there's no plural. Song is countable. You can say, I like 3 songs on this CD, but it's incorrect to say, I like 3 musics on this CD, because music cannot be plural. Now let's talk about instrumental music. Instrumental music is played by an orchestra, a group of musicians. The leader who controls the music is the conductor. There are 3 basic types of musical instruments. Percussion instruments, like drums, cymbals, tambourine, and triangle. Wind instruments, like the trumpet, flute, clarinet, and trombone. And string instruments, like the guitar, violin, harp, and cello. Some instruments play the melody, the main sound of the music. Other instruments play the harmony, the notes that complement the melody. The percussion instruments keep the beat, that means the rhythm. When an orchestra plays music in public, the event is called a concert. Now let's talk about singers and bands. When a singer or band plays music in public, it can be called a concert or a show. Musicians who are not yet very famous play gigs. A gig is a slang word for a small performance. Bands also record albums, CDs. Each song on the album is called a track. Sometimes singers or bands release a single. That's a CD with just one song. When you buy a CD, you get a little booklet with the lyrics. Lyrics are the words to the songs. A CD with all the music used in a movie is called the movie's soundtrack. Finally, if a song becomes very popular and famous, it is called a hit. Let's review the vocabulary words in this lesson. Listen and repeat the pronunciation. Music, song, orchestra, conductor, percussion instruments, drums, cymbals, tambourine, triangle, wind instruments, trumpet, flute, clarinet, trombone, string instruments, guitar, violin, harp, cello, melody, harmony, beat, concert, show, gig, album, track, single, lyrics, soundtrack, hit, Thanks for watching English Tips from Espresso English. If you liked this video, please share it.